Oh! Oh! What the? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We got a short hop today. We're gonna do a top speed run. People have been asking how fast this R3 is, and it's not fast. Kind of an oxymoron, you know, R3s and fast. Same gearing, stop. It was doing 105.6 miles per hour with me on it. It hit the limiter at that. Jalen rode it, he achieved the same thing, about 105.8-ish for Jalen. As you can see right here, I have a GPS and speed is calibrated pretty good. We're going to see the difference between the speed on the speedometer and the speed, actual ground speed. We got a couple more RPMs and about 2 more horsepower. That's the extent of the difference from what the old top speed was till now. What it's gonna be able to do in the wind, we don't know. We shall find out though. And let's see what it can achieve on its own. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get little enough. And it's too much headwind, so we're sitting right around 99. So, going this way is usually the toughest. You know, we're battling the hardest wind. We're going right at that delta. So we just got 102. And I mean, that is not terrible. It's a lot faster than what the bike used to show as far as speedometer and the actual GPS. Before, the actual speedometer would have struggled at 98. But we'll get, oh, look at that plane over there. Wildin'. On the way back through, we'll dip down this to get some help with the top end. And we'll have the wind at our back. This is ignorance. That was pure ignorance. We're getting much more than that. It showed 107. So we We got just about the same amount of increase on top speed as we did horsepower. And it's pretty windy today now out here. Alright, we're blocked by the wall. Certainly stick with 107. Is this thing's top speed. All right. Oh, nigga almost went down. Woo! That front end lost me. Almost went down. Woo! That front end lost me. Front end lost me on the way out. Woo! Almost went down, baby. Okay, it is cold. It is very cold. Haha, shit. Gotta clean off this left side. Can't match. Damn, cuz. Lost that motherfucker, cuz. It's sprinkling too, which is unbecoming, but yo, gotta get some work in. Get some heat in the tire with some heavy braking. Damn, that was sketch. Man, sprinkles is hurting my eyes now. Fuck. Oh shit! Oh, this is crazy. Oh no, I don't know about today, baby. I don't know about today. It's too wet. All right. After a few attempts, it's just far too wet and it's far too cold. I tried a couple of laps. I really did try a couple of laps, and it got dangerous. I almost went down maybe 2 times, but we kept it shiny. So I'm calling it, and I'm gonna head to the house, and that's that for this weekend. I definitely did attempt. It was too damn cold, and it did start to rain, so there is absolutely no use that I could get out of this day. Even trying to go slow, trying to be cautious because the tires could not warm up. I don't know if that's accurate. The lady there that was sitting in her vehicle that runs the track, she said she was getting ice and snow warnings on her Range Rover, and that shit was saying snow and ice warnings, so it's cold enough to say. Plus we got that moisture, so it just didn't work out today. But we're gonna call it successful because as you saw, the 2 incidents that I almost went down, losing the front end, it just ain't worth it. So packing it up, heading home. I usually go home about 1, but I was gonna wait, but there's no end to this shit, so there's no need to push it. There's no need to push it, especially when I can ride every single weekend, you know what I mean? So no need to push it. Headed home, I'm gonna warm up, I'm gonna get some damn food, and I'm gonna put those damn things up, and I guess we'll try again. But I did try the low speed riding that I did get to do. I did try to put the position to use. I had no action on the tire. It just wasn't happening. So I got an understanding, but we're gonna put this to use. Trust that I'm working on it, and we'll make it happen. So on to another day.